Hi guys, hope you're doing fantastic. So I decided to sit here and do my makeup because I was going out with some friends, so I thought this would be fun. So firstly, I'm going out with my Revolution brow pencil in a shade medium dark or medium brown. As you can see, the brow is not looking so good, like literally it is not, but we'll fix that, not to worry. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn with that brush. So I'm just gonna try and clean it up and fix it so it looks more decent. Honestly, my brows always start really terrible. They look terrible to start with, but then they look better later, if you know what I mean. And right now I'm just cleaning it up so it looks nice and clean and fresh, you know. And for the face, I'm using this MAC primer that I got for free. I don't really use primer, so I hope to start doing that now. And yeah, and then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 430. This foundation is to die for. I really love it, honestly. It works well for my skin for some reason. I like it. So basically, as you can see, I just applied some coat on my face, and I used the MAC Fix Plus to wet my brush so I can just, so it's not too dry basically. And now I'm just blending it in. I'm just applying more just because, you know, you need more, your girl need more. Alright, now that we're done, I think the next thing is, well, I'm feeling myself first, literally. I think the next thing is I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder just to blend in my foundation, or no, to set my foundation. We're almost there, guys, we're almost there. And now I'm using this e.l.f. blush palette. I'm using the last two color I showed you now. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, my makeup is pretty simple. All this took me basically 20 minutes, literally all of it. And I was running late. I wasn't even rushing, but it took me 20. Can you believe that? And now I'm going in with the Revolution Strobe highlighter with the It's My Rare brush number 3. Ooh, look at that. Basically, this says it all. I'm just applying it all over my face, my nose, my brow area, and all that. Okay, so for eyes, I'm using the SOPH X palette. So I just wanted a little bit of color, and I used Peaches and Danger. I just applied that basically to make my eyes, I don't know, not look dead. Literally, that's it. Okay, so next up, I'm using the Mia Doe mascara on my lashes. I didn't feel like wearing false lashes. I just wanted to be natural. I was so sure of our love. And next I am going in and fixing that brow. I don't know why, but I felt like I needed to do it, but here you go, that's what I'm doing. And now we're going with that Colourpop. That was upside down. So this is in the color Rooch. It's a matte lipstick. I absolutely love this color. It pops, you know what I mean? It pops. And I'm just applying that highlighter on top of my Cupid's bow, and I'm using the MAC Fix Plus to set my face. And that's it, we're done with the face. Now onto the hair. So this hair is actually a wig. I literally just fixed this a few days ago. I will be uploading it soon. If you want to see it, thumbs up and comment down below. So basically, I just used the mousse to style this hair, and then I also used the Got To Be spray to make my hair, to make the wig stay in place. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.